There's 3 of them up there. One of them barking. Hear it? Come on down. Something's bothering. Maybe somebody's in the tree that doesn't belong in the tree. Come on down. Nobody's coming down. 3 of them up there looking at me. Maybe that one is coming down, but yeah. I looked through the thing and I saw juveniles. Not juveniles, I'll call them kits because they're not big enough to be a juvenile. See them right there? Come on. They were eating together. So you know they're siblings. Come on. They won't come down. They will when they figure out that I'm the peanut guy. Let's say taste a couple peanuts. All right, guys. Let the kids run around like they do. Morning in the hood. Get yourself a coffee, beverage, whatever you want, and your favorite vice. Did you see that? Woodpecker, guys. Woodpecker. Holy shit. Holy shit. Where is it? 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 Well, you talk about luck, guys and girls. It's not a good shot, though. I cannot wait till the new camera gets here. I'm crossing my fingers. Well, the squirrels is coming right by the woodpecker. Scared him away. Ted! Ted! Got Ted on the loose. I gotta pause a minute. At least the woodpecker left. We didn't get a very good shot. The new feed is bringing them back. I've got that new feed.